Welcome to Our Ventures. We're Joe and Sharon. We love to travel, metal detect, and hunt for shark teeth. Together we have visited 33 states.
This year, we are planning to visit all 21 counties in New Jersey and check off 5 more states off of our bucket list before we hit the road full time in our dream home on wheels.
Welcome to Atlantic County. Today we are in Atlantic City, which is the best place to represent Atlantic County. And we just got crowned Mr. and Mrs. America.
Plenty of cool stuff to see and do here, guys. We're also going to be having a contest. Each vlog we're going to hide a prize, and we want you guys to find it. We're going to give you clues. When you find it, you're going to get a prize. This week's prize is going to be worth about $40, so something pretty cool to check out. If you're interested, follow along.
And stay tuned to the end of the video for instructions on how to find the treasure.
See you there.
It's America.
So we just did some metal detecting on the beach and did really well, actually. Had a good time. Got some exercise, and there was a proposal on the beach.
And if you want to check out that video, we'll leave the link below. It's not going to be part of this video, but anyway, we are on to the next place. We are on our way to the White House Sub Shop, which we heard is amazing, and we've never been here, which is crazy because we're in Atlantic City all the time.
Yeah, we've never heard of it till we did a search for good places to eat, and that's one of the ones that came up. So
we're excited to try something new, and we are starving. We truly worked up an appetite.
We definitely did.
So we'll bring you with us.
See you there, guys. We just got back from the hoagie shop.
White House.
Yeah, the White House hoagies, and they're great, but
they are.
We've had better.
Yeah. It's a little weird because we have a pizza place that we order from in our area called 541 Pizza in Burlington. We'll take some free stuff for advertising, you guys. Don't worry. Just kidding. Anyway, we love their hoagies.
Yeah. And
I just don't think that anybody could beat them. Like, I think that we do have a high standard for hoagies just because of this one little pizza place by us. I think it was good, and it was probably definitely the best hoagie you could find around here.
Oh, definitely. The bread is amazing.
Yeah.
The bread is really good. The hoagie itself, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. Personally.
Yeah, but it was definitely, I mean, we have some. We're going to have some for a late night snack tonight. Kind of excited about it, so it's cool. But now we are going to one of our favorite places called the Beer Hall.
Tennessee Avenue Beer Hall.
And they have a lot of different beers from all over the place, and we just like it there. It's a great atmosphere.
Great
fun.
selection of beers.
So we'll bring you with us.
See you there.
Lucky Snake right now.
Inside the showboat. It used to be the Showboat Casino in Atlantic City.
Yeah, and
they
it's
made it
closed
family
down.
friendly, and they added a whole bunch of video games.
Yep, it's
And
pretty cool.
It's really awesome.
So we're gonna bowl. Comment below who do you think is gonna win. I think it's gonna be me.
I don't know about that.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah. Okay. So she's gonna take the loss.
I did catch up though. I did get a strike.
You did well.
Of course it wasn't on video. Oh well.
It was fun though.
But we're doing a ride right now. This place is pretty cool. It's dead, probably because of how crazy the snowstorm was, and we're just crazy. That's why we're here.
Yeah, we're having fun though.
But we're having fun. It was actually really awesome, and you can watch the football game. Not that I care about football, but anyway, you can watch it while you're here. But we are going on a ride right now, so.
See you there.
The treasure this week is going to be hidden in front of the Sheraton Hotel.
Yep.
Show the Sheraton. Near the convention center, and where you could get crowned to be Miss America.
Yep.
And it's going to be in the bushes. Right about. And this is what the bottle looks like. When you find it, make sure you take the paper out and take a picture of it, add it into the comments section below, and we will send you your prize. It's gonna be in here right now it's in the snow, so if you come during the snow, it might be a little bit tricky to find it. So there it is, guys. Our first treasure hunt.
So we're here to do our Atlantic County wrap-up. We did some awesome stuff. The casinos there are beautiful. The beaches are beautiful. There's so much to see and do. It's just amazing. The Lucky Snake in the Showboat is a family-friendly arcade. They have classic video games. It's an amazing place.
It's
if you go there, look
I
for
think
Dan
they
the
said
Man.
it's the biggest one on in the East Coast.
Um,
They said it's the biggest one somewhere, so that's pretty cool.
yeah.
And it is very big. And Dan the Man,
Yep. He showed us around. A very personable, great guy. We love
yeah,
him.
and he like told us all the things that they have planned for the future.
Yeah.
And it's going to be big. So
Indoor go-karts, outdoor golf, mini golf. It's going to be pretty cool.
they're going to have so much added to it. So you guys definitely got to check it out. Definitely go on the virtual ride. I had so much fun on that virtual ride.
The virtual roller coaster. They also had mini bowling, which we did.
Yeah, I lost
Really
both. I'm not a very good loser either.
You're a loser. It's okay. We had fun.
That's it. We had so much fun, seriously. And we had fun walking on the beach. The beach was very interesting because it was a blizzard and there was so much snow on the ground.
Yeah.
I've never seen the beach covered that much.
No, there's
in
at
snow.
least a foot of snow to get onto the beach in Atlantic City.
Yes, that was
Which we've
really
never
interesting.
seen.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yep. Thanks for watching. If you like us, share and subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.